This is Crazy Mama Kelly here, and I have a bird in my house. This is the stuff that happens. Oh my god. Well, this is the kind of crazy stuff that happens. I think I'm going to try to lead it out the house. Alright, yeah, I think I'm going to grab my broom. Try to lead him towards the front door. What kind of bird are you, birdie? I don't know what kind of bird that is. Woo! Don't poop on me. It's okay, honey. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, little one. My dog really wants to get a hold of her, I'll tell you that much. I don't know where she went back there. And these are just some of the many crazy things I have that go on in my place. Okay, here's me, the mighty bird hunter. I don't know where he went. Oh, man, I don't know. Yeah, come on, honey. I don't want to hurt you. Oh, great, now he's in my basement. See? Come on, baby. It's okay, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, don't go back there. There's nothing back there for you. There you go. There you go, honey. See, we're getting closer to the objective. Don't go up there, no! Damn it. Ah. Okay, so the mighty bird, I don't know where he's at. Oh, all because the door was right there. Maybe if I leave him go a little bit, he'll come out to play. Wait and see. This is ridiculous. There's my doggie. I put her in a kennel so she doesn't get the bird. I hope... That's my kid's mess. I hope he realizes he can't get out that way. I don't know. Okay. I'll be back in a second to see if I can roost him. Birdie, he went up here. I don't know if he's still in there or not. Damn it. I hope he's okay. Birdie, birdie. Tweet, 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 tweet. It's right above my guinea pigs' cages. There's my guinea pigs. Okay, hello. Rosie and Dewdrop. It's a wild bird, so I hope they don't eat guinea pigs. Well, the guinea pig's about as big as it is. You've seen it. Alright. I think I seen him. I think I seen him. Come on, birdie. Tweet, 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 tweet. Just want to get you out. I just want to get you out. Come on, buddy. Come on. Don't be scared. Sorry about that. Oh. Come on, birdie. I think I seen him. Come on, baby. Come on, bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Yeah, those look like legs to me. I don't know. You probably can't see it. Yeah, he's standing right there. Alright. Grab the broom. Just talking to my friend on the phone. And the bird is in my house. Where did I put that broom? Oh, fly swatter will work, I guess. Alright, people. This is crazy, isn't it? Oh, bird. Here, tweet! Tweet, tweet! Sweet, sweet birdie. Is that it? I don't think that's it. What was that? I don't know where this bird went. Alright. This might have to be an ongoing situation. This is above. We had a really bad leak in my bathroom. This is right in my dining room, unfortunately. So if you know anybody that can fix this, let me know. But, yeah, I figured if I went up there and flushed the toilet, it would scare the bird out. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. Maybe he got out. But, I guess this is me signing off. It's Crazy Mom Kelly. If I have any updates about the bird, I will let you know. Alright, thanks. Peace. Blessed be. Jeez. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Well, my dog's hunting for the bird. I think I'm just gonna have to wait it out, see if he comes back upstairs. This bird's kind of hard to get rid of. This one is. I don't want to kill it, because there's nothing wrong with birds. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. Wait and see what happens, and then I'll keep you posted. Alright. Bye.